As you may know, if you had watched the video I put out earlier about the BougeRV folding 100-watt solar panel, you would know that the cable that it comes with has a DC 5521 barrel plug that plugs into the port here. And then on the output side, it has a DC 5521 barrel plug and a DC 7909 barrel plug. So these are the only two outputs, which means I couldn't charge my Blue Eddy power stations with this cable. So what I needed to do is get a cable that has an XT60 on the end to plug into the power stations. So the way I did that, I took my BougeRV cable, cut it in half, and soldered onto one end an XT60 female plug, and then on the other end, just in case I ever need to use the barrel plugs for something, I soldered on the male XT60 plug. Now, as you may know, if you watch my channel regularly, I have a lot of radio control cars and boats, so I already had a package of XT60 male and female connectors. Now, I had a package of 10. You can order these, I think, in just a single pair of male and female. So the nice thing about these connectors, on the XT60, on the back, you can see each terminal is labeled positive and negative. Same is true on the female side. This is the male end. With a little bit of soldering knowledge, you can make your own connectors just by cutting the BougeRV cable. And the other good thing is, although I've already got it covered up, is that when you cut through the shielding of the cable, the wires inside are already red and black. So it's a no-brainer on how it goes together. I did check with this plugged in here, took it outside, unfolded it, and then checked to make sure the positive and negative were actually reading the correct voltage. And in this case, at the XT60, I was getting almost 20 volts. And when I plugged this together at the barrel plugs, again, on the positive and negative leads, I was getting 20 volts. So if you need to make a cable so you can plug in different power stations, get yourself a pair of XT60 male and females and just cut your BougeRV cable, solder the XT60s on, and you're good to go. If you haven't seen my review of the BougeRV folding solar panel, I'll put a link at the end and also in the description below.